Hi, this is Mike Haber. Thanks for asking me, how can a cop search my cell phone? The United States Supreme Court has ruled that for Fourth Amendment search and seizure purposes, your cell phone is pretty much just like your house. If a cop wants in, then they're either going to need to get a warrant or they're going to have a valid exception to the warrant requirement. In order to get a warrant, police need to get a hold of a judge and then swear to facts sufficient to convince the judge that probable cause exists to believe that evidence of a crime is contained in your cell phone. And this can't be just any general allegation of criminal conduct. It's going to have to be detailed, specific, and contain enough information to convince a neutral and detached magistrate that probable cause in fact exists to believe that evidence of a specific crime will be found on your phone. And while that's not impossible, in the vast majority of cases, it's also not probable. So how do cops search your cell phone? Well, the most common way is it's unlocked, and so they just do it. But the next most common way is that they ask you to unlock it, and then you do that. This is called consent. If the police actually impound your cell phone, then they're going to need a warrant to get inside of it. And if they access your data without a warrant, well, then your lawyer is going to have a field day regardless of what the cops find inside. Why? Because the U.S. Supreme Court has acknowledged that cell phones typically hold very personal data, and they are fully protected by the Fourth Amendment. Stuff like financial data, privileged medical information, intimate photos, videos, and texts, these are all expected to be on your cell phone. So unless a neutral and detached magistrate is involved as a check valve to curb police action, then your privacy interests are going to outweigh the interests of law enforcement. Thank you for your question. I appreciate your having asked it, and I invite you to ask me more. Please remember at HaberPA, it's all about reasonable doubt. And if you like this video, please subscribe. We'll be putting out more soon.